blatantly unconstitutional.
The president has great power under the executive branch for many executive orders, but changing the Constitution is not one of them.
A local immigration attorney explains why the judge's order doesn't ease all fears.
President Trump is back in the White House. He is signing sweeping executive actions on immigration.
Yeah, these executive orders are impacting people who live right here in our community. Joining us live this morning to give us some perspective is local immigration attorney Nayef Mubarak. Nayef, good morning.
Good morning, Sheldon. How are you?
So glad to have you here this morning to help kind of give us this perspective. Can you briefly explain what birthright citizenship is for our viewers, and then just explain some of the changes that could come to it?
Sure. As we all know, there were several immigration orders last night signed by President Trump. One of them, this birthright citizenship, basically ending citizenship to any person born to an undocumented mother or whose father is not a citizen or permanent resident, or somebody's mother who is here on a temporary visa or out of status, whose father is not a citizen or green card holder. However, the 14th Amendment guarantees that all people born here on the U.S. soil are U.S. citizens. And we've already seen challenges filed in the court as of last night by the ACLU already fighting this executive order.
What are some of the challenges when we're talking and concerns when we're talking about mass deportation?
So the issues that we're seeing for the mass deportations, I mean, there's no doubt about it. People want to secure the border, make sure that we have a safe country. However, it's going to be the collateral damage of families, of parents of U.S. citizen children who have been here for decades without criminal history getting caught up in it. We've seen that happen before, and that's many of the current concerns for people in the U.S. who are going through the case and who have been waiting for their procedures and the cases to be completed in order to qualify for their case.
Okay, you talked briefly about the ACLU a little bit ago. Do you think other legal challenges will come to some of these executive orders?
Yeah, absolutely. I think there's no doubt about it. Also, the CBP-1 program, which where many people have been waiting for months at the southern border to have their credible fear interviews. This program was ended within seconds of President Trump's inauguration. They believe there's also a lawsuit filed against that already as well.
Great. Nayef, thank you for joining us this morning to shed a little bit of perspective. No doubt this is going to be an issue we'll be discussing further in the coming weeks as well.